Hey everyone, it's Norm here from IMCARS in front of Goldwin Resort Development here in Nassau, Bahamas. This is most luxurious building in the island of New Providence, where today we're doing a totally different type of video where we are taking delivery of 2 units here. So we're going to give you guys a very quick tour of obviously the front of the building, which you can see now. It's a 6-story building. We're gonna walk through the lobby, show you guys the pool area out back, which has the same image out back, very luxurious. And then we'll take you up and show you our 2 units we've got. All right, and now you can see we are on the back side of the Goldwin property. We've got the beautiful infinity pool here. The beach, although a little messy today, but that's okay. No sun, it's very cloudy, very rainy, but this is the spot to be. You can see they've got 6 private cabanas, 3 on this side, 3 down at the other end, as well as a poolside bar behind me. And this is pretty much the spot to be. This is a really nice resort, isn't it? So I think with a quick tour of the property, I think we'll head up to our units now and show you guys what we're taking delivery of today. All right, welcome to our unit. So come on in. Just shut the door behind you. So over here, this is just a utility room, not too much. Just really showing there. Laundry, washer, dryer. Not that exciting, really. But if you come through with here, so this is the guest bedroom. It's pretty big. Obviously, we're just waiting for furniture to get set up throughout the whole place, as you'll see. But super nice unit, and it's got a walk-through from 2 accesses to the second bathroom. It's got a nice big open shower, which is kind of, seems like that's the normal concept here, is an open shower like that. Big mirror. And it leads back out to the main hallway we came in on. And maybe we'll do the master bedroom. So this is the master bedroom with a walkout to the balcony as well. Again, you can see this is just waiting for some furniture to get set up. It's got these big open sliding doors into a closet and into a master bathroom here. Super nice. Tub, open shower, toilet, all that. Really nice bathroom. Like I said, these doors are a double fold open, leading onto the balcony, but there's a second access out here. This is the kitchen, just waiting for a couple little finishing trimmings, but for the most part, everything's pretty well done. This is a fridge, nice big open fridge, freezer down here. Super nice, really nice countertops, really nice appliances. Super nice place. We got a couch delivered the other day, so we'll be unboxing that in the next couple days. TV, but this here, this is what you pay for, right here. So we'll open both these up so you can see the double slide. and it's a little cloudy today, but there it is. That's the million or multi-million dollar view for sure. It's, like I said, very cloudy, but still it's probably about plus 20 or so, so still a lot nicer than the weather back home. And I would take this any day of the week. We just had a rainstorm come through. Beach is a little bit dirty, but I'm sure they'll clean that up the next few hours here. And just coming over here, so you can see this is a little bit of a covered area. So we've got some new deck furniture out here. So this will kind of be more of a hangout area on this side that's covered. Whereas over there will be, I think that's gonna be the dinner and eating area over there. So that is the exterior tour, and you can see all the architecture of the building from down here is pretty nice, pretty nice. In the background, that's Bahamas Resort, so that's a really well-known resort here on the island. Yeah, downtown is straight ahead basically from where you're looking right now, and you'll see a few cruise ships a day. They're coming into port or going out of port, heading towards, just for a visual reference, where we are. Miami is right that way, about what, 90 miles, 100 miles or so? So Miami is that way, so we're facing north right now when we're kind of on, well, I mean, we are on the north end of the island, but we're more so on the westernly end, so. So we actually have 2 units in the same building. However, the other unit isn't quite ready yet, so thought I'd give you guys a quick tour of this unit that we're staying in, which is very similar to the other one we have. Just this is located on the 2nd floor and not the 5th. So this is the guest bedroom that we just walked through. And heading over here on the left, this is the master bedroom. And with the bathroom and shower behind, there's storage closets and access to the balcony. You can see this is the golf course side, which is also the side that we have our second unit on, unlike the first unit, which is on the ocean side. Heading back out here, you'll see it's essentially got the full kitchen with living room, TV, and again, dual access to the balcony. Stepping outside, although it's a cloudy, rainy day again, you can see in the background there, that is the Prime Minister's office. Beautiful golf course from Bahamas, and just a really nice view altogether, even though it's not the ocean side. So we are back downstairs after doing our property tour, or I should say tour of our 2 units, and that is taking delivery of 2 units at here in Goldwin. There's still a little bit of construction just getting done around site, so my plan is to come back in a couple months, and when the project is fully done and the rooftop owner's pool is done and everything like that, we're gonna have a tour with, I believe he's basically the project manager or one of the developers here, who's gonna do a full comprehensive tour with myself on Goldwin property. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed to our channel. Let me know your comments down below, and if you wanna see the property tour, stick around to our channel.